Sufyan from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Just a quick question. Basically, Sheikh, I'm an engineering student and I would like to know basically about the if it's permissible to do this job, because, you know, as you probably know, most of the engineer's job is to do all the technical work, like, for example, as an electrical engineer, to do like analyze the circuits, do the schematics, etc. But part of his job, generally, this is generally speaking, in the project would be, for example, to do cost estimation, like basically estimating, you know, the amount of money the company needs to finance the project by, you know, listing all the different materials, etc. But also, you know, doing a bit of risk assessment to see from a technical and economic standpoint to see if you know, the project is feasible and the company can do it, basically. And then all these studies and cost estimation will then be used by the financial department to possibly, you know, get a loan to finance the project. Will the engineer be assisting them in sin?
No. Akhi, you're again overthinking. The essence of the company's work is in firefighting systems. So your job, the company's job, is to install firefighting systems, which is mandated by the government in most countries. Your job is to give it a quotation. So you estimate how much lines do we need, how much pumps, how much pressure, sprinklers and the likes. And then you give a risk assessment that in case of failure, what will happen and how much we are obliged to pay because our system failed, and smoke detectors and the likes. And you give a quotation and you give your estimates. All of this is halal. Now, if the company will finance it through riba because they don't have the cash money to do it, this is the accounting department's fault and the CEO's fault, not yours. Your job is to install, to inspect, to operate, and all of this is halal work. So there's nothing wrong in your assessment, in your quotation, in your reporting, because you're not dealing hand in hand. You're not applying for such loans from a bank or a financial institution, and you're not helping them in such activities. Rather, you're giving halal estimates, and Allah knows best.